So what exactly does a flash flood warning mean? When a flash flood warning is issued, there is severe flooding that is imminent, and it's not only an inconvenience or a nuisance, but it can potentially be life-threatening with high water on roadways. We always say turn around, don't drown, and that is because you can't really estimate or judge how deep that water is until it's too late. Also, creeks and rivers may flood. Again, that warning goes until 5:30, and the flooding threat is going to be winding down this evening. Maybe your lawn looks very much like Ed's. He sent in this photo from White House. Standing water occurred due to the heavy soaking rainfall that amounted to several inches. So we talked about a flash flood warning. Now, a regular flood warning tends to represent a more long duration, gradual flooding that occurs with moderate to heavy rainfall, say over a 6 to 12 hour time frame. Now, today's rainfall was so heavy that it did warrant that flash flood warning.